Today in the online class session of accountancy, I will explain you next two cases of the topic accounting for issue of debentures considering the terms and conditions of redemption. Already I explained you first and second case yesterday in the previous class session of accountancy. Now preceding two cases are when the debentures are issued at premium and redeemable at par. This is case third. And fourth case when the debentures are issued at par and redeemable at premium. These both the cases I am explaining you today. The very first case now, third one, today to be explained to you. When the debentures are issued at premium and redeemable at par. See, case third. Issued at premium and redeemable at par. When the debentures are issued at premium to the applicant, we are issuing debentures at premium, means at more value than the face value of the debentures. When the debentures are issued at a value which is more than the face value, the excess amount is known as premium. Already I told you in the previous class session that at the time of issue, if there is premium, then assume the premium amount to be rupees 2. Okay. And if there is premium at the time of redemption, then we have assumed that premium value is rupees 3. Okay. Issued at premium means the issuing price or the calling value from one debenture was rupees 10 face value plus rupees 2 premium. Then at time of application receipt entry, we are going to receive rupees 12. Okay. In X% debentures and application and allotment account, we multiply debentures by calling value. Okay. Already I told you in the previous class session. See, I am writing here also debentures multiplied by calling value. We already have assumed that one debenture is there and calling value in this case is rupees 10 plus 2 rupees premium, that is rupees 12. One debenture multiplied by 12 rupees, how much amount we will receive? Rupees 12. Now, second journal entry. We already know that when the debentures are issued at premium, then the premium being profit for the company will be shown on the credit side of the due entry in accordance with the rule of debit and credit. Whenever profit increases, it is to be shown on the credit side. And the same treatment we are going to do in the due entry. We have posted securities premium reserve on the credit side of the due entry. Right? X% debentures application and allotment account debit to X% debentures account. This is the common entry which is needed to be passed in all the 6 cases. Only I have done addition of security premium reserve on the credit side. Okay. This is the new posting on the credit side of the journal entry. Right. X% debenture application allotment account. Here we need to multiply debentures with the calling value. Calling value per debenture is rupees 12. One debenture multiplied by 12 rupees, we will get the answer rupees 12. To X% debentures account, here always we have to multiply debentures with the face value in front of X% debentures. One debenture multiplied by face value per debenture was rupees 10. We will get the answer 10 rupees. SPR here in this case is rupees 2. One debenture was there, rupees 2 was the premium amount. How much amount we will receive? Rupees 2. Okay, so this is case number 3, right? Now let us see case number 4. Issued at par, redeemable at premium. Now one difference we are seeing here, that in the previous 3 cases when the debentures were to be redeemed, then we redeemed the debenture at par only in the previous 3 cases. Okay, but now in case number 4, a new type of transaction is there, and new thing here in this transaction is redemption at premium. When we issue the debentures at premium, then we show premium on the credit side, right? The effect of premium is shown on the credit side and will affect only the credit side. But keep in mind, when the debentures are redeemable at premium, then always debit and credit side, both sides will be affected. Okay, in the case of premium, when premium is at the time of redemption, then on debit side of the due entry, premium will be shown as, or say by the name of see the journal entry now. This is the journal entry. Loss on issue of debentures. The effect of premium on redemption of debentures will be on both the sides of the journal entry. That journal entry relates to due case. Okay, in the due journal entry, we will show the effect of premium on redemption on both the sides. On the debit side, it will be known by the name of loss on issue of debentures, and on the credit side, it will be known as premium on redemption of debentures. And the same amount will be written in front of these both the postings. Okay, on the debit side, rupees 3, you can see. On the credit side also I have written rupees 3, right? So keep in mind, whenever there will be premium at the time of issue, then it will affect only one side, that is credit side. And in the due entry, on the credit side we will write SPR, security premium reserve. But at the time of redemption, if there is premium, then it will affect both the sides. On the debit side we will write loss on issue of debentures, and on the credit side we will write premium on redemption of debentures in the due entry, and the same amount will be posted on both the sides. Okay, right? And remaining journal entry is the common journal entry which we have passed in the previous 3 cases. Okay, X% debenture application allotment account debit to X% debentures account. 2 new postings are here. On the debit side, loss on issue of debentures, and on the credit side we have written premium on redemption of debentures. This is the effect of premium on redemption of debentures, which is shown on both the sides, debit and credit. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, just copy these 2 cases in your notebook as a homework, and start revision of the previous online class sessions work. Okay, right? Don't think that I have given a less work to you. Much work is pending, and right, and that pending work is revision work. Go through the notes, online class sessions, videos, revise again and again, twice, thrice. ठीक है? The more you will practice, the more you will become perfect in accountancy. ठीक है? One time solving the numericals is not enough. Revise twice, thrice, otherwise you will forget the previous study material, whatever is stored in your memory. ठीक है? Right. Okay.